brew coffee. Yes, of course. And our crew over here today. When I say that, on the whole crew, sometimes you say, bang, bang, nice. I mean, if you notice right now, he's freaking everything within about 3 to 5 seconds and stay in the hole the entire time. This is a run, that means forward. Years old. Let's hear from Eric Jackson, ladies and gentlemen. This is unreal. And also, the kayak championship. He could make the semifinals.